Well, hi there. Good afternoon, everybody. How are you doing today? Hope you're all doing very fine. And well, as you know, in today's lesson, we're going to continue talking about the uses of the reported speech, as we saw the last time, remember? But before getting there, I'd like to also begin by calling the roll so you know what to do. Okay, once you hear your names, say here or present. So I'll be starting now. Well, so Rojas, Salvador. Good. Jonathan Rodriguez. All right, thank you. Genaro Beltran. Is Genaro Beltran present? Not yet. Okay, I see. Thank you. Abril Barrios. Okay, thanks. Alejandra Cepeda. Excellent. Julián Valenzuela. Julián Valenzuela. Thank you. Julio Alberto Ruiz. Okay, guys. Continue with Ana Cristina Molina. Good. Frida Padilla. Okay. Ramón Romero. Ramón Romero. Okay. Lorin Uribe. Susana Osuna. Andrea Ayala. And Brenda Sillas. Okay. Well, that being done, we may now proceed. So, to begin, I'd like you to tell me, guys, what is that you remember from the previous class? What did we learn? Yes, please, Brenda, go ahead, tell us. Okay, great. Yeah. Just don't forget to mention that when it comes to using the reported speech, it is also necessary to distinguish between two important things, which are whether it's indirect or direct. Okay, there are two types of speech forms, so to speak. And when talking about the reported speech, which one are you using? Remember, Brenda? That's correct. It's the indirect speech form. Thank you very much. Anyone else? No one else who would like to add something to what Brenda was saying? Well, I do. I think it's also worth mentioning that there are certain changes that we have to make when using that structure. Remember what is the name that we saw yesterday to refer to the changes? Yes, please, Julio, tell us. That is correct. Excellent. It's called the backshift, as you know. Okay, well, very good. Then now, I think we are ready to carry on talking talking about this. Only that this time we're going to spend a bit more in solving some exercises that I put together. Now you'll see. For that, I'm going to show you my screen. So I need you please to pay attention, and well, we'll be starting now. Let me see where that is. Okay, it's up and running. There. So just hold on a sec, because you know, sometimes the internet connections are not that reliable, and this is not the exception. Hold down. Almost there. Okay, I also took the liberty of sending this paper to the WhatsApp group. So in case you haven't seen it, go check it. because we're going to be working with it. So I need you please to download it because we'll be working together, okay, into solving the exercises that you have there. Okay, now it's up and running and we can get started, shall we? So there we go. Here, can you see it? Tell me, guys, once you can see it. Okay, I'm sharing you my screen. Okay, you should all be able to see it now. And it starts with some exercises related to the uses, again, of the reported speech form. Okay, so what we're going to do next is this. I'm going to put you guys to work in teams of 3-4 people. Okay, and I'll give you some time, say 10 minutes, so that you can discuss and work together in order to solve the activities here. What I need you to do, apart from solving the exercises, that is for sure, is want to remind you that this paper is made of 2 pages. The first page includes all of the exercises. As for the second one, you can see the following table. I'm actually showing it to you. And again, that pretty much comprises what we saw yesterday. Remember, on the uses and the way we need to observe in order to transform the direct speech form into the reported speech form, and the correct backshift that it takes for each of the different time tenses that exist. As well, remember that we need to respect the changes as well when it comes to the time expressions. And we have here on the same paper this part of the paper at the bottom in this box that also mentions those changes as well for time and place. So please observe that once you work with your exercises. Correct? Now tell me, before starting, do you guys have any questions about this, about the exercise? Okay. Also, just for everybody to be sure, we're going to be working with the first exercise together so that you can see how to do it, and then you'll be on your own. Correct? Okay, guys. Well, so it says right here, who can help me to read? Sure, Frida, help us here. Yeah, that's right. So this is direct speech, as you can see. Red card is mine. What should you do to transform this sentence into the reported speech form? Yeah. That's totally right. Thank you very much. That's correct. You see, guys, why? Yeah, the reason why is because, again, remember, since you're talking about what someone else mentioned, well, it is necessary to change the subject. In this case, is he or Charlie said that, and what is the time tense in the first sentence? It's sure, simple present. So what happens in this case to transform it into the reported speech? Simple past. That is correct. Okay. Well, so now you'll be taking this time. As you know, you're taking 10 minutes to solve all the exercises. I'll be checking. I'll be around in case you need any help, any assistance. And you can always tell me as well by sending me a message right here on the chat room. Correct? So everybody's ready? Did I make myself clear? No more questions? That's correct. Well, then you're taking 10 minutes to do this. I'm starting with the breakout rooms now. Remember, this is done randomly. So once you see the button to join your team, please just click on it. Ready? There we go. So that is correct. Thank you. Okay, now that you've finished, we're going to start checking your work. Very good. And tell me, how was it? Is it difficult? Good. I'm glad to hear that you got it right. We're going to see though, just in case, we never know. So for that, tell me, who would like to help me with the second one, with the second exercise? I'm again going to show you my screen so that everybody can see. There we go. So if you want, you can also share your screen with us and just read. That's perfect for me. Okay, that is good. So let me see. Who says me? Have any volunteers? Excellent. Remember that all of this is taken into consideration. I mean, your participation for the evaluation as well. Okay. Well, so in that case, Javier, thank you. You go right ahead. Excellent. Okay, so you're reading the second one. Sure, we're all ears. There you go. That's correct. You see what is the main change here? Tell me about the time tense for the direct speech form. It's present progressive. Very good. So you have to change that for past progressive. Thank you. There you go. And one more person. Sure. You go right ahead, Brenda. Sorry, a week ago. Yeah, that's right, too. Thank you. I can see that. All in all, it's pretty much okay. And that makes me glad. Well, with that, we're going to finish. Okay? That's going to be it for today's lesson. And, well, tomorrow we will also continue with yet another important topic, but from what I can see, the lesson that we saw and the topics that we covered yesterday and today are pretty much clear for everybody. Is that correct? Well, thank you very much and see you next time. Bye now.